Today, let's explore a word that embodies the subtle dangers and harmful effects often unnoticed until they're profound. Pernicious. Pernicious is derived from the Latin word perniciosus, meaning destructive. In English, pernicious describes something that has a harmful effect, especially when this effect is gradual or subtle, making it particularly insidious. Pernicious is an adjective. When using it in sentences, it usually precedes the noun it describes, describing an effect, pernicious consequences. In sentence structure, the pernicious influence of these drugs can last for years. The spread of misinformation on the internet can have pernicious effects on society. Smoking, while socially acceptable in the past, has had a pernicious impact on public health. The pernicious erosion of the coastline threatens many seaside communities. In a quaint village, an envious witch named Selene wanted to bring down Clara, a beloved and talented herbalist. Selene concocted a potion that would not immediately harm, but would have a slow, pernicious effect, diminishing Clara's skills over time. She introduced the potion into the village as a miracle elixir, gifting it to Clara first. As weeks passed, Clara's once impeccable remedies began to falter. The village, unaware of the pernicious potion's effects, began to doubt Clara's abilities. As Selene's popularity rose, Clara's declined. However, an old wise woman named Mav noticed the subtle changes in Clara and became suspicious. With her deep knowledge, Maeve identified the pernicious nature of Selene's elixir and devised an antidote. Claire, after taking the antidote, regained her talents and exposed Selene's treachery. The village learned a vital lesson about the dangers of pernicious influences and the importance of vigilance and trust. Pernicious is a powerful word that helps describe subtle but harmful effects or influences. Its strength lies in highlighting dangers that aren't immediately obvious, making it a valuable term in discussion about long-term harm or deceit. Remembering pernicious can provide a clearer lens to view and articulate the subtler, insidious harms in our world.